Well, we're here today. We're very excited. We are installing the first Roanoke County bus shelter on Route 419. Well, we've had an existing concrete pad in place for several years, and through funding through the Department of Rail and Public Transportation, we were actually able to utilize purchasing a bus shelter to bring this stop to fruition.
The street project that's current on now on 419, the combination of some stops led to the idea of a shelter once you combine the stops as part of the other road project. And so between the county and Valley Metro, this was the end result.
Well, we are very excited to have worked with a local company, Renaissance Lighting, to come up with the design and the fabrication and to complete the installation, knowing that it's a local company that could bring this shelter to light.
So the benefit of having the shelter is basically to enhance the use of public transportation systems, and at the same time providing a better environment for folks to be out of the elements.
It's a great opportunity to collaborate with our municipal partners in providing a great transit experience for our current passengers and hopefully some new passengers.
Roanoke County is very excited to have been able to collaborate with Roanoke City and Valley Metro along with VDOT to make this stop come to fruition today and actually be able to have a amenity out here that citizens will be able to use regardless if it's rain or shine. Also just very appreciative of the funding that was supplied by the Department of Rail and Public Transportation.